Ada sarang burung di atas sini dan ada telurnya. Kita burungnya di sana tuh. Dia lagi di sebelah sana, dia lagi perhatiin kita. Takut kita ambil dia punya sarang. Baby, can you see? Let people see. Oh, baby, 3 egg.
That's what I said.
Oh my God, I just saw baby 3 egg.
I told you there's 3 eggs.
Okay, let me see. Oh my God, 3 egg. Okay. Where is the bird?
Up there, top of the shed.
Oh God, that's the bird top of shed. Oke, kita tunggu sampai telurnya menetas. Besok kita lihat lagi. Kalau kita pergi, burungnya pergi ke situ. Tapi kalau kita datang, burungnya terbang. Hari kedua, itu dia burungnya di sana, ya kan? Ada di atas pohon. Nah, ini anaknya.
Stays where you can see. He's up on the wire now.
Huh?
He's up on the wire now. He stays where you can see.
Which one? Which one, baby?
He's up there on the wire. Nowhere to go. He wasn't going.
Mana burungnya?
Watch this.
Ibu burung.
Oh, there he is.
Ah,
Yeah,
itu dia.
on the wire.
Uh-huh.
Back in the tree.
Uh-huh.
But he's watching us.
I know. That's why he's just like.
Yeah, he just took off and we walked towards him.
Oke, ini sore hari, ini hari kedua setelah kita temukan telur. Kita tidak tahu kapan itu telurnya beranak menetas. Kita tunggu saja, oke? Itu dia burungnya. Lari.
Well, he's alert, isn't he? Was he there? Where'd he go?
See, that one.
Right on top of the shed.
Hmm?
Right on top of the shed. I don't know if you can see him or not. See if you can end it and see if you.
Burung kita, si Robin, apakah dia sudah menetas? Dia tidak ada. Mari kita lihat. Tadi sih terlihat dia sudah menetas. Ini dia. Mamanya lagi pergi. Inilah kondisinya sekarang. Oh ya, ada satu. Oh my God, ada satu. Oke, semuanya belum. Oke, terima kasih Robin. Sorry, aku lihat dulu anakmu satu. Kau di mana, Robin? Robin. Oke, itu sudah hari ke-7 kayaknya tuh. Sudah menetas dia. Sudah lebih dari seminggu. Oke, mari kita saksikan Robin. Itu dia Robin. Dia terbang. Kita lihat burung. Oh, itu dia. Kenapa, Robin? That's Robin. That's Robin. That's Robin. In the stone. In the stone. In the stone. See? He made it! Let me see.
I think we got 3, baby. There's no egg now. No egg now, but it looks like only 2.
Only 2?
I can't tell. I think there's 3 now. There's no egg.
Oke. Kita lihat lagi, birdie. Oh, died, baby. Baby dead.
Nah, they're alive.
Hello. Baby dead.
No, they're not.
Baby dead.
No, they're not.
Yes, it is.
No, they aren't, baby.
They sleeping?
No, baby. They're waiting on mommy to bring them food. See, he's moving. They're moving.
Moving?
Yeah.
Not dead?
No, they're not dead. They're alive. They're alive, baby.
Ah, the birdie. Sleeping. Is it died?
Yeah, baby. They're all dead.
Nah. The bigger baby?
Yeah, they're bigger.
Ah, lovely birdie. Okay, birdie. Get bigger.
Wait, doesn't he?
Itu dia Robin, dia mau kasih makan anaknya, kita ada di sini. Anaknya di situ, Robin tadi lewat. Aduh, tuh terbang lagi. Dia udah dapat makanan itu. Ya. Oh, Robin come by food, bring food to the babies. Okay. No. She just scared with me, baby. That's the Robin. Okay. Lapar dia. Lapar. Pengen makan. Hai Beri. Oh my god, sudah besar dia. Cepat sekali dia besar. Kemana mamamu Robin? Sudah besar dia. Oke. Hello. Hello.
Can you believe how much they've grown?
Baby, this is like a chicken. Hello.
They grew so fast.
Yeah. Birdie, what you doing, Birdie? You sudah besar. Kemarin kita tidak lihat kamu. Baby, they're so big. How fast, baby? I don't know. It's so fast as they grow up.
Less than a week and a half. Or...
A week, baby. It's a week already. My God, look that eyes, baby.
They'll be flying soon.
Yeah.
Yeah, where are my
Soon
babies?
you will be flying. You will be flying.